Hello friends, welcome to One Code. In this video we will see how you can open your trading account on Upstox and trade easily. So let's follow the steps now. Click on the shared link and open the Upstox website. To sign up, enter your email, mobile number and click on Send OTP. Enter the OTP and proceed by clicking on Sign Up. After this, you have to enter your PAN details and date of birth. After this, Tell Us About Yourself page will open, in which you will have to give some of your details. After filling all the details, proceed further by clicking on Next. Now, you have to select Equity in Trading Preferences and enter bank details. After this, upload the signature on a photo and share the location. Now, verify your email and proceed. You have to verify that your mobile number is the same as the registered number for your Aadhaar card. Now, you have to e-sign the form using your Aadhaar number. For this, click on e-sign now and proceed by filling the OTP sent to your Aadhaar linked mobile number. Upstox will charge a small fee for the account opening. Complete the payment to successfully open the account. Now, you can see that your application status has been submitted. Customer UCC, that is, Customer ID, will be generated in 2 to 3 working days. You can start trading as soon as the customer ID is created. Once the account is opened and verified by the Upstox team, you can see your commission in the One Code dashboard after the tracking time is over. Important note, you will need to fill out the lead form by clicking the Add Lead button on the Upstox detail page with details of who successfully opened the account. Thank you.